actually don't want to come outside, but the water wasn't like, I don't know how I'm going to say it there, but the rain this time around it's something else in my place. Look at, see. Hey, like seriously, oh. I can enter inside the rain though, because my phone is water resistant, but I will not enter. Hey, look at the gutter here, oh. There you go. See. Hey, grandma, you are inside the water. Hey. Bye bye. Me, I don't be enter water. And there's a hole there. Huh? There's a hole there. Right. Come.
Give me some. Do you have rubber?
Right. Come in. There's water. Come and bring this water. Bring that water bag. They said the hole is down there. So that they'll block it. Yes, okay. Bring the black one or any one. The black one. Hey! 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 Boy! Hey! Hey! This boy! See! Why you gonna sit up like that, the I swear. Right, do I cannot enter inside the rain. Right, where's my other phone? These people sit down, go, they won't run.